Good morning, children. This week we are learning about polynomials, and today we'll be dealing with a very new topic, that is division algorithm for polynomials. As you have already learned in your previous class, that is, I'm talking about class 4th and 5th, regarding the division algorithm, where you have learned about how to arrange a dividend, a divisor, quotient, and remainder in a equitable form. Okay, so here, if p of x and g of x are two polynomials with g of x is not equal to 0, then we can find polynomials q of x and r of x such that p of x equals to q of x multiplied by g of x plus r of x. So here p of x is the dividend, q of x is the quotient, g of x is the division, and r of x is the remainder. So you can either way, you can write here as p of x equals to g of x, that is divisor, into quotient q of x plus the remainder of x. We are taking x because the polynomial is having the variable x, where r of x is always 0, and when it is not 0, then it should be less than the divisor. Okay, we'll take a simple example to understand this. Say we have number 4, when it is divided by 2, so we get 2 2s are 4 here. So remainder is 0, which is less than the number 2. Say another example we'll take as 5 divided by 2, 2 2s are 4 here. 5 4 1, 1 is again less than the divisor 2. So this is what they are saying. The result is called the division algorithm for polynomials, and where dividend is equals to quotient or divisor into quotient, or quotient into divisor plus the remainder. This is already been taught to you in your previous classes, like in class 4th and 5th. So we'll talk about polynomials in long division, how to conduct a long division method on polynomials. So we have few working rules to go through. I'll quickly go through the working rules here. The first one is, first arrange the term of dividend and the divisor in the decreasing order of their degrees. So it is just like this: x cubed plus x squared plus x plus 1, like this. So 3, then 2, then 1, like decreasing order of the degrees. To obtain the first term of quotient, divide the highest degree term of the dividend by the highest degree term of the divisor. When we see the example, you will understand these steps. To obtain the second term of the quotient, divide the highest degree term of the new dividend obtained as the remainder by the highest degree term of the divisor. And the last one is the step 4, that is, continue this process till the degree of remainder is less than the degree of divisor. So by going with the examples, polynomial long division is a method for dividing a polynomial by another polynomials of a lower degree. It is a very similar to dividing numbers. Let's see a few examples here. We'll check first of all the arithmetic long division method. So 277 divided by 12. After dividing, you get 23. 23 as the quotient, 12 is the divisor, and the remainder gives you 1. So by applying a long division, the division algorithm, so we can write here 277 is equals to divisor, that is 12, multiplied by the quotient 23, and plus remainder is 1. So this is what the division algorithm is all about. Now for algebra and polynomial division, we have p of x. This is p of x, and this one is g of x, that is the divisor, and this one is q of x, which is a quotient, and the last one is the remainder, which is r of x. Okay, so degree of remainder here is 0. That's why we received here a constant polynomial. So after dividing, see here the first one is x, and we need 2x squared. So x is multiplied with, first of all, 2x to give you 2x squared. We need to chuck the first number first of all, okay, and then this is a monomial multiplication with a binomial term. So this becomes 4x, that is 2 into 2 becomes 4x, and then after subtracting it, you get the answer as 3x plus 7. So after 7 minus 4x is 3x, and this 7 will come down here. And then again, we'll see how to get 3x. So here is x already, so we multiply x by 3, we get 3x, and then 3 2s are 6, and after subtracting, you get 1. Remember, the sign of the below number, that is this number, gets changed. So it is plus before, so it becomes minus, and this is plus, then it will become minus. So this gets cancelled out. So this is the way we get the value of the remainder as well as the quotient by a long division method. So after the concept, let's check our knowledge by solving few examples. Apply the division algorithm to find the quotient and the remainder on dividing p of x by g of x as given below. So if you see here, the p of x value is given as x cubed minus 3x squared plus 5x minus 3, and g of x is equals to x squared minus 2. So we have here, let's arrange in the division format, long division method. So x squared minus 2 is the g of x value. Now we need x cubed first of all. So what we need to multiply x squared with? X. So x into x squared will give you x cubed, and then x into minus 2 will give you minus 2x. So we'll write just below the degree the power of the given variable, that is, it was here 5x power 1. So we'll write here 5x power 1 only. With 1 we'll write 1. And then after changing the sign, we subtract it, it gets cancelled. 5 minus 2 will give you 3x. No, it is plus again because it was minus before, so sign is changed. So 5 plus 2 becomes 7, and then this minus 3x will come down here, and then minus 3 will come down here. So we need the next number as minus 3x squared. So we'll multiply with minus 3. You get minus 3x squared, then 3 2s are 6. And after changing the sign and cancelling out the numbers, you get plus 7x minus 9. So if you see here that this is the first term of quotient, that is x cubed by x squared equals to x, and then 3x squared by x squared will give you minus 3. So this is the quotient part, x minus 3. This is the way to solve the question. Now you got the remainder as 7x minus 3. Now check the degree of the remainder. The degree of the remainder, the degree of r of x is less than the degree of g of x. So we stop our process here, and then we try to verify whether the solution which we have done using the long division method is correct or not. So degree of 7x minus 9, which is the remainder, is less than the degree of x squared minus 9. So the quotient is x minus 3 and the remainder is 7x minus 9. Therefore, by division algorithm, quotient into divisor plus the remainder. So after multiplying this and adding the remainder, we get the solution as the dividend, which was p of x. So hence we have verified the division algorithm. Using division algorithm, we have verified. So that's all from today's class, and our next topic will be factor theorem as well as the remainder theorem. And if you face any problem, you can always ask in the virtual class. You all have a good day. Thank you.